Hey there, how are you? In my last video, we started to build a solution for a timesheet within the Dynamics 365 and model-driven Power Apps space. My name is Jorge Daniel, and in this video, I would like to invite you to take it a step further, adding some extra functionality. As a quick recap, what this app allows you to do is create a daily timesheet and then do time entries in it. Optionally, you can tie an account to your time entry. First thing I would like to do is to have this timesheet name column filled in automatically with the name of who is creating it and the day it refers to. This will make my life easier and also help further down the line when someone may have to come and approve timesheets from several people. To do that, let's use a classic workflow. From your solution, click New, Automation, Process, and then Workflow. Name it. And select the table where it will run. Also, deselect the Run Workflow in the background as we want this workflow to run synchronously. Click Create and change the scope to Organization, and we want the workflow to run when a new timesheet is created. So just add a new step, which will be Update Record. Click Set Properties. Expand this here. Select the name column and then look for the full name of Created By. Add this. Add a pipe and then add the date of the time. Save and close. Save here as well. And finally activate the work. Close this and let's now create a new timesheet. Let's enter a date and save, and the name column is populated. To make this a bit better, go into the timesheet form and make the name column read only. And publish the form. The next thing I would like to do is have this date column for the time entered filled in with the date of the timesheet. To do that, we need to go into classic mode. Switch to classic. Select the time entry table. Then select many-to-one relationships and select the relationship with the timesheet. From here, click Mappings, New, and map the date columns of the table. Save and close this and publish. And now just refresh this. Okay. As we click new entry, the date gets populated. Once again, to finish up, open this form and make the date column read-only. Date, read-only, and publish. Now, this time entry would do much better with a quick create form. Agree? So open the time entry table, go to its properties, and make sure you have selected leverage quick create if available. Then go into forms, new form, quick create form, and add the fields needed. Let's start with timesheet, the name, the date, the duration, and the account. Timesheet will be read only, and date also will be read only. And publish this. With the form published, edit the app just to make sure the form has been added to the app. So time entries form, show more, and we have here the quick create form. So publish this one as well. And then play your app and let's try this out. Way better, right? Now, as you do time entries, you will probably want to see an aggregation of the time entry. For that, let's create a roll-up in the timesheet table. Timesheet, columns, new, total time. We want type duration and behavior rollup. You need to save the column before you can define the rollup. Now, select a related entity, in this case, time entries, and then add an aggregation, time entry duration. Save and close. And now go into forms and let's add the roll-up to the timesheet form. It can go here. Save and publish. Let's go back to our app, do a refresh. The roll-up is there already, so Let's do a couple of time entries. Demo 1, maybe an hour and a half, and another one, demo 2, couple of hours, and you can now calculate the total time of the timesheet. So, little bits and pieces that can make your apps better and also better the user experience. I hope you like this one, so please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And see you soon!